back to another video. We are in North Dallas right now. Dylan has a conference this week for some stuff with work. He's really excited about it. That's where he is right in this moment. I know I've been a little MIA the last couple of clips, but we just have a lot going on right now. We're just really busy, very blessed to be busy before storm season, which is where it gets even more busy and the kids get out of school. So anyway, for like real estate purposes, it just gets more hectic as far as like people needing to move or get into homes. And also I just feel a little under the weather for some reason. Like, I don't know if it's allergies because it's springtime almost. And I just like, every day I'm waking up with like a headache, and my voice was really raspy this morning and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, that's neither here or there, but I'm about to head into Target and just do a little shopping. I need to get a couple things while he's in class. He gets out in about 2 hours. I just need to get a couple things for the house because we are heading back home this afternoon. And then, yeah, but we have little Miss Hera back there. She's taking a nap. She came with us. We just felt like we love taking her. Like, honestly, she, as big as she is, like, it's funny, people are like, oh, y'all travel with her and stuff, and we're like, yeah. We do all the time. Like, she's honestly been a lot of places for a dog. So we just never like to leave her, board her, or anything, which we still do that too. She has a great boarding facility that she goes to where they're all bigger dogs, and it's a ranch, so they get to play and so forth. But if we can bring her, we definitely do. Like, we love that. I am just about to go inside the store. I just had lunch. Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna turn into a chicken sandwich at this point with how much I eat them. But yeah, that's what we have going on. We're heading home this afternoon, and we're gonna finish the week strong. We have a lot of other appointments whenever we get home. Let me take a look really quick. Hang on just one second.
Okay, yep. From today, so you might have not called her yet.
Right, yeah, I think I spoke with her. Oh, okay, so yeah, I sent her a text and I asked her when she had time for a realty consultation, and we're trying to coordinate that now. But anyways, yeah, what's going on?
Awesome. I appreciate your time. I'll shoot you a text, and if you need anything, just give me a holler, okay? Once again, my name is Jerry.
Okay, sure will. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, bye. Okay, anyways, there was the call. I have another call that I have to hop on at 12:30, I believe. I don't know if I told you guys that. I'm really excited, you guys. We have some really cool things going on right now that we're excited to share with y'all eventually once everything's set in stone. We are very excited. This is all really good news. And it's all future related. Like, it's just stuff that, you know, we've been working on for years now, and we're hopeful that oh God, this lady, she cannot park her car. She's about to hit my car, y'all, for real. We're hopeful that we can share with you guys soon, because once everything's out in the open and everything. God, this lady can't park. She can't even see over her steering wheel. Oh my Lord. I mean, they make it to where you can move our seats up and down and stuff and make it to where, oh, now she's parking on the other side. I guess I was in her way. Oh, here she goes. She's about to park right next to me. Oh Lord. I'm not even gonna be able to get out. She's coming around. What is going on? Why? This is so crazy. I literally parked here at Target, like in the back of the parking lot, so I could vlog and stuff, so people aren't like, what is she doing in her car talking to a camera? So I don't know why she has to park. Oh, okay. She's moving around. She's not even parking near me at all. Okay. Anyways, we're really excited to share with y'all, and eventually we will, so just stay tuned. But with all that being said, that's what we've been working on, and it's a lot of work. But I'm gonna go in the store real quick, you guys, and see what I can find. I need a couple things for work, and then just for the road trip and stuff. But we'll talk soon. Ooh, baby, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, baby. Okay, bye. Bye. Really quick, y'all, I want to know if anyone can see. Oh, there it is. Those little indentions on my headrest. That is from this. Like literally my clip. Like hitting the headrest. Does anyone else's look like that? Like, what in the world, man? That looks crazy.
Hi, baby. Mike is coming over here to talk, I think.
Oh, shoot. All right, you can leave it on.
Okay. Check it out. I got my training, my cert.
Here. Okay.
Hey, do you mind doing me a favor? Ashley?
What's up?
Real quick, I'm gonna turn my wheel. Can you check on that tire and make sure it doesn't corrupt?
Oh, yeah.
I was just thinking about that. I was like,
Oh, the bumper?
Sarah, calm down.
Here's the bumper, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Figured I'd check before like 300-mile drive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Makes sense.
We'll see you guys.
Bye.
Get home safe.
Yeah, you too. Be careful.
No more racks, dog.
Dude, honestly, I was letting them know.
Hera.
It is what it is.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
Yeah. This is so cool, babe. Just whenever the guy walks away. So cool. Here you go. She really wants to say hi to you. Sounds like he asked for a card or something, you know?
Yeah.
It says watermelon sparkling water.
I'm fucking thirsty.
I know. It's really good.
Metal, just like this.
Hey, stop. Lay down.
So Dylan's, my partner in this, so he lives in San Antonio as well.
Cool.
They do so metal. Here, this, 2 shingles, whatever.
Badass,
He's in
man.
Houston, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you listening? You too?
Later, buddy.
Later, bro.
Take it easy.
Y'all be safe.
Yes, sir. All right, man. I'm gonna take my number down real quick.
Okay, cool.
Hey, man. Be easy. Here, snap my number real quick.
Hera, stop. Stop it.
Oh. Yeah. Snap it right here. Look. Right there. Is it a camera? Just put your camera on that.
Wait.
Put your camera, yeah. And no, the other way. Like this. Yeah, now click that. Click that. Yeah. Click that. Yeah. That's my business card.
Okay.
You save it. Okay?
Yeah, we gotta talk about like, maybe if you get like any jobs like your own, we might be able to work together. To do
Cool.
something like that.
Yeah, I do a lot of insurance stuff too, so let me know if you need anything insurance
So
too.
that's basically, where is the money? Just give me a call.
Yeah, I got it. Later, guys.
I didn't get your contact.
Yeah, here. You get your camera. There you go, bro.
Awesome.
All right, man.
I'll give you a text message and with everything.
Cool. It was nice meeting you, man. Y'all be easy. All right.
Alrighty. So how was it? Everything good?
Everything was real good.
Grab the camera. Like,
I'm hot, though.
Everything was so good.
Yeah.
Nice. So I'm ready to get home.
Good morning.
Enjoy. It's just like your detox drink, basically. Good morning, you guys. We made it home and now we have to get right to it, back to work. No big deal. So we're just having a little detox drink. We're both kind of feeling like we have like scratchy throats a little bit. I think it's just allergies, but just to be on the safe side, we're just taking all the precautions. Yeah, so we're just gonna get a couple of things done this morning here at the house, and then we have some projects to go check on and go take a look at, and we'll bring you guys along today. You guys put your eye patches in the fridge overnight, and I promise you it feels so good in the morning, like when you're putting them on, as far as inflammation goes and stuff like that under your eyes. It really does the trick for sure. Oh yeah, and then if your disposal is getting a little smelly or you just need to clean it or whatever, these Plinkets off of Amazon are amazing. Love, love, love. They smell really, really, really good. You just put one right there in the disposal. Look, I'll show you. I got the fresh lemon scent too, but here. Basically, here, let me turn the camera around. Basically, you just take one and you just drop it in. Let the water run a little bit. And then for about 5 seconds, turn on the garbage disposal, and then turn the water off. And you can already smell the fresh lemon. Like, it smells so, so, so good. And I mean, you get 40 uses out of these too. So, and I don't think they're very expensive. And like right now, all I smell is lemon immediately. It just smells so good when you come over to the sink. And love them. Just wanted to share with you guys. Good stuff.
You know what? Lucas and Steve, Blackstreet, no diggity, no doubt. Sure to get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time.
Alright, y'all. So right now we are at a property. We have a few rental properties around the Houston area. One of them, the client was out of town during the winter freeze that we just had and had a pipe burst. So we are here to check on, sorry, Taylor's on the phone. So we're here to check on the pipe burst, check on the damage, look at all the damage right now. He filed an insurance claim, we got the estimate. So I'm gonna go look in there right now, make sure everything that is on the estimate is accounted for or not accounted for. And we're gonna go from there. So yeah, let's go take a look inside and see what's here.
That's fine too. He would like to be in something sooner, but yeah, he's still.
Alright. Got some damage. It's loud in here. Got dehumidifiers and fans going. just gonna get some pictures. I can write a pretty good estimate from just taking overviews and finding where the damage is. So that's, I gotta find where this pipe is at. Here, I'm guessing somewhere up here. All this carpet's gone, so this one needs to be replaced. All this carpet. I'm in this bedroom. Look, there's water streaks. I'm in this bedroom back here. Look.
I know.
Can't just lay this back down. No way. There's water streaks all on this wall. This wall needs to be done. And then all the flooring all the way throughout.
Crazy, you guys. So this is one of the rentals that we manage for some past resale clients of ours, and basically they had a pipe burst during the freeze. So I don't know if Dylan told you guys that part. I'm sure he did, but yeah. Now our construction company is basically going to come in and fix it all up for them.
Work both sides at the same time. I think it's great.
Yeah. Yeah, well, see, I'm gonna try it because you're gonna have to blend all this. This has to blend too. So I'm gonna try to get insurance to pay for all this too. I mean, yeah, look. Well, this wall's continuous. So they gotta pay for the whole thing to be painted. Not textured, but painted.
Not texture, not drywall, just paint.
Right,
Okay?
right.
And the ceiling too?
Now, whatever is wet, like if you're up here and say you're upstairs and you're patching up that drywall, if you're like feeling that drywall and it's wet, take a picture and send it to me.
Okay, I can touch it out, feel it, and let you know.
Okay. Also,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Well, let me see, man. Let me see what we can get going. I'm gonna try to finish this estimate today. Once I finish this estimate, I'll have an answer for you.
All right.
Cool.
Thank you, man.
All right, man.
See you.
Yep, and take it easy.
You too.
Drive safe, man. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm at the property that had a pipe bust. I just met with our project manager. Him and his team are going to be taking care of the majority of the repairs. I just went over his day rate and everything with him for this job and getting some pictures of the property. So currently that's what I'm doing, trying to finish up this estimate to send over to their insurance company. But ultimately, we've got quite a big job here. Kind of walk you through it. Got some flooring going on in here, baseboards. We need to get this wall, focus, redone. It got wet. You can see right here. The insurance company missed this part, but that is part of the leak. It's directly adjacent to the bathroom, which is right here, where the leak, one of the leaks happened. So, boom, gotta clean that up. Gotta clean this up. This is where the leak occurred. There's the pipe. The pipe has been fixed. And now it's time to start getting some repairs done. So that's what we're here to do. Alright, so let me run through, grab some more of these pictures, and I can get out of here. I just need to take some notes and I can finish writing the estimate at the house. But I just wanted to bring my laptop so that I have the estimate to look at while I'm here, so I know what I do and don't have. Here it says downstairs. Downstairs. Upstairs. Alright, I gotta get back to it. Yo, you guys are never gonna believe this. I mean, I almost missed this. Let me get this picture on tape. You guys, holy cow. I almost missed this whole wall upstairs, dude. Look at this. Hey, let me just go show you rather than trying to show you on my phone. That'd be silly. Let me just show you up here. I almost missed this whole wall. Look at that. Just goes to show you, you need to check every inch of the house. You just might miss something, you never know. Oh, I'm sweating over here. Got my pictures. I'm just about done here. We're gonna wrap it up here, get back in the truck, give Tay a call, go home, finish this estimate up, and I think we might be getting started either tomorrow or the next day on this. So we'll see. We'll keep you tuned. All right. Boom, and just like that, we're back home. All right, so I'm gonna get this trash up real quick. Taylor's already back home because she was out with her realtor teammate, Courtney, making TikTok content. They're building their TikTok profile up. They started a TikTok profile and they're building up their TikTok profile, so they were having a TikTok content day today. And I had construction stuff going on. As you saw. Trying to fit in between our vehicles. Oh, I always hit my mirror. So anyways, now that I'm home, I have to get this estimate written all the way, send it up to the adjuster, and wait for the adjuster to approve hopefully everything on the estimate. Sometimes they don't approve everything, but you know, hopefully they approve everything on the estimate, and get this project started for, I don't know if I explained it right. So this is, we have some tenants living in this house right now, but this is a property that we manage for one of Taylor's real estate clients, and the tenants are currently out, so now's the perfect time to get the project going. Just dumping out the leftover coffee so I can throw the trash away. So I can get this, anyway, so we can get this project going and get his house back to the way it's supposed to look and the way it's supposed to function. Alright, anyways, let's go inside and get on the laptop.
Oh